Hey guys, Nicole Sauce here with another edition of Cooking with Nicole. And tomorrow we have a dinner party. And I'm cooking this cow's tongue. It's still got the taste buds on it and the skin on it. What I did tonight is I cut off extra fat, made sure it was nice and clean, putting it in this Tupperware's Pyrex for the night. And I'm going to take some salt. I just sort of lightly salt that baby. Salt it on the other side. And then tomorrow we're going to try a new recipe. It will not be taco de lengua. Nope. We're going to do a recipe from one of the Slavic countries, but I'm going to German it up a little bit. So I'll keep these live streams going. We're doing this a little differently than most of the Cooking with the Nicole episodes. I'm not going to edit this. We're just going to do this as we go. And I'm doing this because David from Cider Hollow Farm